Last Monday, I woke up at 6 a.m. and by 7:15, my inbox was cleared, my day was planned, all my meetings were prepped, and I had a full briefing on my industry, and I didn't do any of it myself. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 5 AI life hacks I use every single morning that give me back over 2 hours a day. We're talking specific tools, exact prompts, step-by-step, zero fluff. Stick around for hack number 4, because it's the one most people completely sleep on, and honestly, it's the one that changed my mornings the most. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, clear your entire inbox in under 10 minutes using AI. Here's what most people do. They open email first thing, they start reading every thread, they get sucked in, they start replying, and suddenly 45 minutes are gone. Sound familiar? Here's what I do instead. I open ChatGPT or Claude, either works, paste in my email threads and use this one prompt. Summarize this email thread in 3 bullet points, then draft a concise professional reply that achieves the specific outcome I need. That's it. 10 minutes, entire inbox processed. ChatGPT reads the context, drafts replies that sound like me, and I'm just reviewing and hitting send. The average person spends 28% of their workday on email. I've cut my morning email time from 45 minutes down to 10. Quick power tip, set a custom instruction in ChatGPT that says, I write emails in a professional and direct tone. My name is, and then add your name. Now it matches your voice every single time without you having to re-explain anything. Hack number 2, get a fully personalized morning briefing delivered to you automatically before you even wake up. Imagine your phone already has your calendar for the day, the top industry news stories, your most important tasks, even the weather, all in one clean summary. That's a morning briefing, and you can build it in about 30 minutes using Make.com. The free tier is enough. Here's the setup. Make.com pulls your Google Calendar events, runs a web search for your chosen keywords using Perplexity AI, pulls your top tasks from Notion or Todoist, then sends everything through ChatGPT to format it into a clean daily digest, delivered to your inbox or Slack at 6 a.m. every single morning. This automation runs every day without you touching anything. You build it once, you get the benefit every single day for the rest of your life. This one hack alone saves me 25 minutes every morning because I'm not jumping between 5 different apps trying to piece together my day. It's all there waiting for me. Hack number 3, never walk into a meeting unprepared again. In literally 2 minutes. Old way. You see a meeting on your calendar. You scramble to remember what it's about. You skim old emails. You stress about what questions to ask. Sound familiar? New way. Copy the meeting title, the agenda, any relevant context, and paste it into Claude with this prompt. I have a meeting about this topic with these people. Here's the context. Give me 1, a 3-bullet briefing on what I need to know. 2, 3 smart questions to ask. 3, my ideal outcome for this meeting. 30 seconds of copy and paste. 2 minutes later, you walk into every meeting looking like the most prepared person in the room. That's it. Seriously, 2 minutes. I ran this for a full month. Not only did I save 20 minutes every morning, my meetings actually became more productive because I showed up with clear goals every single time. Real quick, if this is already useful, subscribe because I drop new AI workflow tutorials every single week. We still have 2 hacks to go, including number 4, the one that saved me the most time and that almost nobody is talking about. Keep watching. Hack number 4, and this is my personal favorite. Most people start their morning doing the easy stuff first. Quick wins, notifications, things that feel productive but aren't. And by the time they get to the important work, they're mentally tired and half the day is already gone. Here's what I do instead. Every morning I do a full brain dump into ChatGPT. I just type, stream of consciousness, everything that's on my plate. Every task, every worry, everything I feel like I need to do. It takes about 2 minutes. Then I use this prompt. I'm a content creator focused on AI productivity. Here's everything on my plate today. And then I paste the brain dump. Using the Eisenhower matrix, sort these into do today, schedule, delegate, or delete. Then give me my top 3 priorities for this morning. What comes back is a clean, strategic priority list. And because you wrote the context, ChatGPT isn't guessing, it's helping you think. 90 seconds. Your entire day, organized. This habit is the single biggest productivity unlock in my morning. I start every day knowing exactly what the needle-moving tasks are before I open a single app. And hack number 5, stay on top of your entire industry in under 5 minutes a day using Perplexity AI. The old way, scroll LinkedIn, scroll Twitter, skim newsletters, somehow still feel behind. The new way, Perplexity Spaces. Perplexity has a feature where you can create a personalized research assistant for your specific niche. Set it up with your topic. For me, it's AI tools and automation. And every morning it gives you a clean, cited summary of what's actually happening in your world. 5 minutes, you know everything that matters. No endless scrolling, no information overload, just the signal, not the noise. And if you want to go deeper, you can ask follow-up questions right inside it. What does this mean for my industry? Or what should I know about this tool? And you get accurate, sourced answers in real time. Combine this with your automated briefing from Hack 2, and you are the most informed person in the room every single day in under 10 minutes. Total. All right, let's recap. 5 AI life hacks that give you back 2 hours every single morning. Hack 1, AI email triage, 10 minutes, inbox 0. Hack 2, automated morning briefing, your full day delivered to you. Hack 3, AI meeting prep, 2 minutes, walk in fully prepared. Hack 4, AI task prioritization, 90 seconds, know exactly what to work on. Hack 5, Perplexity Research Digest, 5 minutes, stay on top of your world. That's 2 hours, every single morning, 10 hours a week, over 500 hours a year, back in your pocket. Here's my challenge. Pick just one of these hacks and try it tomorrow morning. Just one. Then come down to the comments and tell me which one you tried. I read every single one. And if you want to go deeper on any of these tools, I've linked my full tutorials below. Subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the exact AI automation system I use to run an entire content calendar on autopilot. You will not want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next one.